To modify. To modify something is to change something, to make alterations to it. Usually you modify something because you want to make it better, you want to improve it. Modifications are not usually very big. Usually you modify something by making slight alterations, by altering it not a lot, but just a little bit. The noun for to modify is a modification. We need to modify our email service so it responds better to customers. So we're not making a huge change. It sounds like we're going to just tweak it, minor changes. Attention class, there's a modification to the assignment due next week, so please look at it, blah, 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 blah. So it's not going to be a huge change to the assignment, but we are going to change something. If you could modify anything in your life, what would it be? But I don't know, man, it's up to you. It's gonna